What is that? What is that? What is that? Oh gosh. What is that? Do you like that? You see your balloons?
Awesome.
That's awesome.
I love it.
Yay. Happy birthday. Do you want your present? You want your one present? You get one present this morning. Want to open it? Climb on your bed and open it.
Okay. Cammy. Here's it. I got it. I got it. Here's it.
What is it? You want help? Rip it. Just rip the paper. Paul.
Oh, I got it.
You got it? Okay.
Wow. That's it.
Do you like the balloons?
I love it.
Open your present, honey.
Is it?
I don't know. You got to open it and see. I'm going to be here all day at this rate.
Wow.
What is it?
Cup.
You love it?
Coffee.
Okay, say bye-bye. It's my birthday. Is it your birthday?
Yes. Hey, look.
All right, say bye-bye. What color is that one?
Blue.
Very good.